Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. Today we'll be doing a beginner's thighs workout. Have you ever been looking for something easy flowing for your thighs and not putting too much pressure on your joints? Then your search ends here. Let's get going with the exercises. So we'll be doing a two-part series for the thighs workout, and today we'll be doing the beginner's thighs workout. Alright guys, before we begin, I'm going to teach you the right position to start these exercises. Go down on your mat sideways. Make sure that one side of your elbow is supported on the floor, the other palm is on the mat. Make sure your legs are aligned, your heels are on your heels, your knees on knees, your hip is on hip, and your body is slightly tilted inward and not hanging outside. Now, first exercise, go up and down. Your breathing is normal, like I always mention when we're doing Pilates exercises. Simple moves. You'll need to do this for about 60 seconds. And then do the same thing on the other leg. In the end, pause at 45 degrees angle and then gently come down. Exercise number 2, your position remains the same. Just lift your legs just above the mat and start making small circles there clockwise. 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds anti-clockwise. And also do the same thing on the other leg. Exercise number 3. Watch, really interesting. Take your leg up, fold it behind, open it and then get it down. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I can already feel the burn on my outer thigh, guys. Up and down. Up, fold, open and down. Up, fold, open and down. Even this exercise you need to do for 60 seconds and then work out on the other leg. Next exercise. I'm going to make a small shift in my position. Here I'm making an L with my leg. I go back, down. The hands position remain the same. I made a shift in my legs position. From here I'm going to open up my knee and then bring it down. Open and close. Open and close. Nice control moves. Your breathing is absolutely normal. So whenever you're doing a Pilates workout, remember less is more. These exercises look simple, but the way they activate the muscles, no other form of workout can do that. Open and close. Open and close. 60 seconds and repeat on the other leg. Next one, watch. I'm going to take my knee closer and then take my leg back. Repeat. Closer to my hand and then back. Repeat that for 60 seconds and feel the burn. Feels beautiful, guys. You can already feel the burn on my thighs. And then stretch it out and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Go back to position number 1. Your palms down. Align yourself well. From here, I'm going to shuffle up my legs. Nice and fast. I'm going to do this for about 60 seconds. And then hold it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and down. Repeat the same thing on the other leg. Next one. Change the position of your legs again to the second one. Make an L with your leg. And this time watch what I'm doing. I'm opening my leg, stretching it out. This time my toes are pointing towards me. Closing and down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Good. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this beautiful workout. A lot of people come to me and ask me why Pilates is so effective, and when they work out on these exercises they realize that it is so much better than doing other kind of workouts like jumping and cardio and Zumba and those exercises which create a lot of pressure on their knees and joints. So if you're suffering with any kind of knee pain, any joint pain, these exercises are best for you and they activate your muscles like no other form can. So do try out these exercises at home, and trust me, you're not going to regret it. You're going to do this repeatedly every single day and get the best benefits out of it. Thank you so much.